Developing story. It's a big day for DMK MP Kannimozhi as she's all set to walk out of Tihar after spending more than 6 months behind the bars in the 2G spectrum scam.
Big relief for the family, sir, finally?
Yes, obviously, yeah.
So, what are the celebrations like, sir, and what are you planning ahead?
What do you expect me to answer? Fireworks?
Till what time are you hearing now, sir, that ma'am will come out? As in, by what time will she be?
She has to be in the courts for the full duration. The trial's still going on, so we have to be there until evening, so.
And Meenakshi joining us live. Meenakshi, after days of lobbying in the centre as far as the DMK is concerned, finally this evening, Kanni will walk out of Tihar.
Well, yes, Niranjan, absolutely. After the Supreme Court granted the first bail in the 2G case to the 5 corporate honchos, alongside making positive observations, upholding the sanctity of bail being the norm and jail an exception in its judgment, alongside also reiterating the principle that presumption of innocence has to be retained at all times during the pendency of the trial. We saw yesterday dramatic developments at the Delhi High Court after hearing prolonged arguments since Friday. The Delhi High Court delivered its verdict granting bail to Kannimozhi and 4 others, and consequently what we are seeing today at the special CBI court is a direct fallout of these preceding developments. And even as we speak right now, the court is in session, and Kannimozhi and the other 4 accused bail bonds are being executed, and it will be in a short while from now that the release orders will be passed on to the jail authorities, and thereafter sometime in the evening is the time that we are looking that Kannimozhi will be released from Tihar. The mood here very enthused at this point in time. Senior DMK leader T.R. Balu was in attendance, who has now left to conduct some other business. However, Kannimozhi is present inside the special CBI courtroom along with her husband and several other DMK associates who came to congratulate her. She seemed visibly relaxed, dressed in a pink salwar kameez, and greetings flowing from all, and she accepting it. And at the same time, there was an interesting anecdote that took place when Kannimozhi said that she would anyways not want to leave Tihar before saying her goodbyes to all the other inmates that she has spent 6 months with. So that is the mood here, Niranjan, this point in time, and everybody really looking forward to that hour in the evening when Kannimozhi will walk out of Tihar. Back to you.
And some breaking news coming in. The DMK has released a statement ahead of Kanni's release from Tihar jail. A DMK statement saying that Kannimozhi, the DMK MP, will return to Chennai on the 3rd of December. The party statement adding that Kanni will return to Chennai on the 3rd and will stay in Chennai till the 6th of December. Remember, Kanni was granted bail yesterday. She will walk out of Tihar likely this evening. Let's go across to Vikram joining us live this afternoon. Vikram, they've already released a statement saying that she will be in Chennai on the days when the courts will be on leave.
Well, indeed, Niranjan, a short while back, the DMK had released a statement from its headquarters which clearly mentions the date where she will be in Chennai, probably sending a message to their cadres that they should probably come and meet her during these days. At the same time, the DMK is planning for a grand welcome when she arrives in Chennai. That's the 3rd. We're still not sure on whether the DMK chief and Kannimozhi's father, Karunanidhi, will himself go and receive her at the airport. But at this point of time, well, all the cadres over here within the DMK are definitely elated and waiting for the arrival of the DMK MP Kannimozhi.
Dates, Vikram, tell us more about what the statement says. Does it say anything about, the developments in the capital?
Clearly, this statement just clearly mentions about on when Kannimozhi will be back to Chennai after she was out on bail. She's expected to be released later in the day today, and then expected to come to Chennai on December 3rd. It just mentions that from December 3rd to December 6th, she will be here in Chennai. Again, she will be attending the courts for the proceedings in the trial court, and in the end of December, again, she will be back to Chennai. So this is the specific dates that the statement clearly mentioned. There was nothing else that the statement clearly mentioned about the court proceedings or even Kannimozhi's release.
Vikram, stay with us. Let's go back to Meenakshi. Meenakshi, big development in Chennai as far as Kannimozhi is concerned. They've released a statement, the party DMK. They've also laid out the dates when she will be in Chennai on the days when the court proceedings won't take place.
Yes, Niranjan, if you'll recall, this is a trial which will go on for the foreseeable future. And one of the conditions of the Honorable Delhi High Court while granting bail was this, that all the accused have to present themselves for the trial on a daily basis. So this really means, what essentially this means is this, that during winters there is a break which will be coming, the courts will be taking, and that is from the 24th to the 31st of December. So that will be essentially the time that Kanimozhi is likely to be in Chennai, and Vikram, as he was just elaborating for us, the 3rd to the 6th of December could likely be a weekend that is coming up. So all those days when her presence is not required here at the special CBI court, that will be the time that she will take out to visit party headquarters in Chennai, because that has been in the offing for a fairly long period of time. Ever since that she has been incarcerated in Tihar, we have seen hordes of DMK supporters come to the to the CBI court complex to pay their obeisance to Kanimozhi. So it is something which is definitely was in the offing, and now after her release from Tihar, it is perhaps that she something that she will be doing as a matter of procedure, and also to really go and meet with her loved ones in Chennai and allow the party workers to get an opportunity to see her up close and personal.